Okay, let's wait a little bit. Starts. Need to come. Hello, Yasin, welcome. Okay, let's start. Can you see my screen, Yasin? From right.
I can.
Okay, let's start. Welcome back, Yasin. In our previous lesson, we explored the origins of Formula One. We learned what is Formula One, and we learned the basic information, and we learned how it all began in the 1950s, how this sport evolved, and what makes it so special from the other motorsports. Wait a minute. I'm checking everything. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I wasn't here for the last lesson. I
Yes.
never saw it. I think I joined the group a bit too late.
Yes. But there's no problem. We didn't talk too much at the previous lesson, so it's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay. And okay, let's continue. We learned that Formula One is not just about racing fast. It's about teamwork. It's about working together, and it's all about strategy. Okay. Today we are gonna go a little one step away. We're gonna look at how F1 cars actually move through the air, how tires and pit stops can completely change a race, and finally, how strategy and safety and come together to make Formula One uh, not boring, exciting. Okay, let's begin with our overview. We're gonna learn how qualifying works. We're gonna learn aerodynamics. We're gonna learn tires and pit stops. We're gonna learn strategy and safety innovations. Okay, let's start with how qualifying works. Uh, as I said in the previous lesson, there was a race weekend format. The generally races last 3 days. At the Friday, generally at the Friday, there are practice sessions. The team set up everything and collect some data for the race day. And Saturday is they're gonna practice one more, and then one second, someone came. Welcome, Yeet. Welcome, Miraj. Welcome, Miraj. Okay, let's continue. Guys, we were talking about how qualifying works. Okay, let's continue. As I said, the Friday there's practice sessions and teams test everything to be ready for the race day. And Saturday they do one more practice, and then they qualifying where the grid is decided, and the fastest driver earned the pole position. And Sunday, there's a Grand Prix, the main race, as I said, and it's around 305 kilometers long. Races are around 305 kilometers long, and Okay, let's talk about how qualifying works and how qualifying works in F1. Uh, um, there is some rounds. It's divided into 3 rounds. We're gonna call it Q1, Q2, and Q3. In Q1, all 20 drivers go out on the track and try to set the fastest lap they can within 18 minutes. And at the end of the Q1, the slowest 5 drivers are eliminated, and they ranked according to the time they finished. And the time between them is so close, like there's milliseconds we are talking about. And then there come Q2 comes, which lasts 15 minutes. The remaining 15 drivers compete again, and once more the slowest 5 are knocked out again. They are eliminated, and so these drivers take positions 11 between 11 and 15 on the starting grid. As I said, they ranked according to the time they finished. So finally, we have Q3, the last and most exciting round. Only the top 10 drivers remain, and they fight for the pole position. And again, slowest 5 car, the driver are gonna eliminate it, and there's gonna left 5 more people in the pole position. This qualifying isn't just about speed, it's also about timing, track conditions, and strategy. It's all about strategy. It's not just the fastest car is winning in F1. Drivers must find a clear space on the track, manage their tires, temperatures. They need to check everything before starting to the lap, and they want to deliver their best lap under that pressure. And getting the pole position can make a huge difference on the main race. As I said, this is a strategy game. Even if it's a small thing, it can change everything. Okay, let's continue with aerodynamics of the F1 cars. Every Formula One car is designed to slice through the air as smoothly as possible. And as you see in the picture, the air goes in this holes and get out from the back of the car. So the car is moving so fast with this design. And also there's a holes on the wheels, of course, tires, as you see in the picture. And this is called aerodynamics, as I said. And when air flows over the car, special parts like the front wing, as you see, the front wing is here, the rear wing and floor guide that air in very specific ways. The goal that they want is create something called downforce. This downforce means a force that pushes the car into the ground. They want to create this force to be more fast and be faster and pass the other pilots. And more downforce means more grip in corners, and the car can turn faster without sliding with this downforce. But there's always something wrong. The too much downforce can slow you down on straight lines, so it's usually used in the corners of the map. This downforce can slow you down in the straight lines, as I said, because of the air resistance that pushes you back. And that's why F1 cars use tools like DRS, a drag reduction system, means drag reduction system, as you see in the picture. In the back of the car, it's a drag reduction system. When it's active, they are activating in the like 5 laps later when the race starts. They are generally activating it 5 laps later, and you can only use it on the straight lines to pass other pilots. Okay. Welcome, Bilal.
Hello.
Welcome, Bara. Okay. We were talking about, guys, aerodynamics of F1 car. We have talked about how qualifying rounds works. Okay, let's continue. As I said, every little detail, every small thing is important here. Even from the shape of the mirrors to angle of the wings, everything can change everything in this sport. Engineers spend thousands of their times to build this wind tunnels and build this cars. And that's all with aerodynamics here. Okay, let's continue with but before continuing, I want to show you a video about aerodynamics of an F1 car. Okay. Okay. Let's look at this video.
Aerodynamics contributes to the design of an F1 car to reduce drag and generate downforce, which improves the vehicle's traction.
The downforce.
Which improves the vehicle's traction and allows it to turn more quickly. The process known as
I said, it can make it easily to return in the corners.
Porpoising occurs when the front of the vehicle rises and falls at high speeds. The aerodynamics of the car are challenged since this alters airflow and decreases downforce. The aerodynamic force that pushes a Formula One car down and increases its grip on the track is known as downforce. Teams must balance the downforce as much as possible to keep the car quick and stable. An F1 car's front and rear wings are crucial for producing downforce. Airflow to the remainder of the vehicle is guided by the front wing, while downforce is produced by the rear wing. The ideal airflow created by both wings produces downforce. The wing end plate, which is situated at the tips of the front and rear wings, aids in generating downforce and stability when driving at high speeds. The purpose of this plate is to improve the car's grip and traction by directing airflow around the wings and reducing turbulence.
The picture that I put in our slide, as you see, the air flows up in the holes, and this makes the car faster.
An aero rake is a system of tubes used to monitor airflow that is fastened to the back of the vehicle. Teams can improve downforce and drag and gain insight into the car's aerodynamics with the use of an aero rake. The floor's purpose is to maximize airflow beneath the vehicle and produce downforce. Its primary goals are to increase grip and produce downforce. There is a pressure differential between the top and bottom of the car because the floor functions like an inverted wing. This pressure difference creates downforce, allowing the car to stay better on the track and drive faster through corners.
Okay, let's continue our slides. Okay, we are gonna continue with tires and pit stops in F1 car. And while aerodynamics control how the car moves through the air, the tires has a very big role in here, and tires can also control how it connects to the ground. So it's very important. I think tires is a strategy. I think you can change it according to the weather. You can change it according to the starting of the race, or if you are in the middle of the race, you're gonna do a strategy and make the hardest, use the hardest tire or something. I'm gonna tell you the types of the tires in the next minutes. So let's continue. And each teams use Pirelli tires, as you see. It's a very big company. And there are different types, as you see in the picture. There's soft, the red tire, as you see. This is the most, this is the fastest tire. This is soft and this is the fastest. And this is the medium. This is not soft, this is medium, as I said. And this is less faster than the soft one. And this is the white one is the hard tire. This is the this is less faster than these tires, but the soft one maybe it can take you like 15 rounds, but medium can you can use medium in 20 rounds, or maybe you can use hard one in 30 rounds. This is a strategy, as I said. The soft tires are super fast, but wear out quickly. As I said, you cannot use it so long because it's get damaged, and this is not gonna be good for you. The hard tires, the white one, last longer, but give less grip, so you can use it a lot of time in the race. The medium one is the medium, and you see two more tires here. The green one's name is Inters. This is the tire that they use when rains. And the blue one is this called wet tire. This they use the wet tire when it's so wet and it rains so much. When it rains so much, they use the wet tire, the blue tire, as you see. Okay, let's continue. And during the race, drivers have to make at least one pit stop. This is forbidden. This is to change their tires. During the race, drivers have to make at least one pit stop to change their tires. And pit stops are not just mechanical breaks. They can change the tires in the pit stops. In the less than 2 seconds, the entire crew of mechanics change all 4 tires in just 2 seconds. As I said, it's so quick because they cannot lose milliseconds in the race. It can change everything, even if it's a millisecond. And the whole entire crew, as I said, changed all 4 tires in 2 seconds and checks the car and sends it back to the race in just 2 seconds. It's the nice example of the teamwork, as I said in the starting of the lesson. The fastest pit stop ever recorded was by Red Bull Racing in 2019. Just 1.82 seconds. That's faster than the time it takes you to blink twice. Pit stops can win or lose. It can make you win or lose races. If a driver pits too early, they might lose grip later. And if they pit too late, they might be overtaken. So it's all about timing and strategy, as we said. Okay, let's continue. Let's talk about the strategy and safety innovations in the F1. Formula One is like chess game played at 300 kilometers per hour. Every lap is a decision that you make with strategy. But when you are doing this extreme sport, it can affect your safety. So there is so many safety strategy innovations in the F1. So modern F1 cars are built with cutting-edge safety innovations. One of the most important is the halo, as you see in the picture. The metal structure above the driver's head. It's built in the car. It saves your head from the damage that you can take while driving or while turning from the corners. It looks so simple, but it can withstand the weight of a double-decker bus. It can withstand the weight of a double-decker bus, as I said. So since it was introduced in 2018, the halo has already saved several drivers from terrifying crashes and maybe from the dies of their life. And the entire car is surrounded by carbon fiber protection, and drivers wear fireproof suits. Doesn't get in the flame. They use cutting-edge helmets and neck support systems to protect them under extreme forces. Okay. This was the previous lessons slides. So let's conclude what we talked. Today we learned that Formula One isn't just about speed of the cars. It's all about the aerodynamics of car, how air comes, how forces and how milliseconds can change the race. And in the next lesson, we're gonna focus entirely on the race strategy, how teams use tire choices, the fuel management, and timing to outsmart their rivals. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson, guys.